Yeah, I was coming out to the car. I found this dead baby bird in the yard. I think it's a robin. We got some nest in the butterfly bush over here. Sometimes crows will come and snatch little baby birds out of nests and eat them, or just rip them apart or whatever. It's pretty gnarly, but such is life. So we're gonna take them down to the river and send them off. Yeah, I brought some flowers from the butterfly bush, since I believe that was its home. It seemed appropriate. All right, bud, travel well.